In this auspicious day of Ganesh Chaturthi, we will make the tastiest, fastest and easiest Motichoor ke laddu. Firstly, we'll take 1 cup of besan, 1 cup of water and make a batter with it. Once our batter is smooth, we will put few drops of orange color to it. It is totally up to you. You can also avoid it. Once our batter is ready, we'll keep it aside. Then let us heat a kadhai. We will put some amount of ghee as per requirement. Once our ghee is hot enough, we will put the batter and make small size pakoras. It is totally up to you. Whatever shape you want, you can make. Once our pakoras are crispy, we will take it out and put it in a tissue paper so that excess ghee is taken care of. Once our pakoras are cooled down, we will put it in the mixer grinder and give it 1 or 2 grinds. And please make sure the texture is little rough. Then we'll keep it aside. After this, we will put a saucepan and take 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar and bring it to boil. Then once our syrup is boiled, we will put 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. We will put few drops of same orange color so that we can get a feel and visual appearance of same sweets we get in the streets and sweet shops in India. Then we will mix it well, and once we see the syrup is to its point, we will pour the dry mixture into it, and then we will mix both the syrup and the dry mixture together. And once the mixture is ready, we will keep it aside to cool down. Would suggest don't make the laddus right away. I would suggest keep it aside for 10 to 15 or 20 minutes and then start making the laddus. It will be beautiful. Before that, let us put some melon seeds. I am taking melon seeds, but it is totally optional to you. You can put any kind of dry fruits. Once we will give it a mix and then we'll start making round laddus. So look, now our laddus are ready. Let's have it and enjoy this Ganesh Chaturthi with your family. Thank you. See you in our next video.